Hey guys, I'm showing you this nail file set. It's a professional manicure pedicure set with a nail buffers, nail files, double-sided entry board, grooming kit for salon, washable and 15-in-1 kit. So I will show all the parts so that it's helpful for you that what's included in this box. This comes in a nice packing box. So you can see all this stuff here. They are packed individually, nice quality, like the cuticle nipper, cuticle pusher, four-in-one nail file, nail cutter, so basically it's a nice combination of all the material and the kit. So this comes in really nice with this nail clipper is nice quality with the giving good shape, and with the filer as well. It also have different filer that I will show you, that is really helpful in setting up your nails and manicure or the pedicure kit. This is, you can see this is a crystal filer, cuticle fork, and these are the different ranges of the nail file. So this have the nail buffer, polishing block, nail file, or the different types of other nail file. So this is a nice kit and hopefully it's useful to you.